We go continue to fight maritime insecurity for the Gulf of Guinea. Presido Buhari na im tok dis one. Presido of Naija Muhammadu Buhari don tok say the Gulf of Guinea Commission meetings na strategic way to help the security matter of the Gulf region, as dis one go look into matters like piracy, increase of small arms and light weapons, and go help protect maritime resources and irregular migration to the region.
Nigeria considers the effective functioning of the Gulf of Guinea Commission as strategic to the collective security interests in the Gulf region, particularly in addressing issues such as piracy, proliferation of small arms and light weapons, protection of marine resources, as well as irregular migration to the region.
Presido Buhari wey tok dis one on Thursday for the virtual summit of heads of state and government of the Gulf of Guinea Commission for Abuja. Come still tok say Naija don try their best to fight maritime insecurity for the Gulf of Guinea through the Deep Blue project for June 2021, as government use $195 million worth of boats, vehicles and aircraft to fight against piracy for the Gulf of Guinea.
Nigeria has continued to deploy significant resources towards tackling piracy in the Gulf of Guinea. Through the Deep Blue project in June 2021, the government of Nigeria unveiled $195 million United States dollars worth of boats, vehicles, and aircraft to spearhead the country's fight against piracy in the Gulf of Guinea.
Presido Buhari come still yarn say the COVID-19 pandemic affects the activities of the organization to fight against maritime insecurity, and come still tok say make dem work together to bring back the organization by holding regular meetings and summits of the commission.
Is to work more than ever towards the revitalization of the organization with a view to synergizing for more effective results towards fighting maritime insecurity in the Gulf of Guinea Commission region.
For the end of the summit, Presido of Ghana Nana Akufo-Addo come become the new chairman for the Gulf of Guinea Commission. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party on election day.